I've got my Scentsy Whiff Box, so if you want to see what's in their December box, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe. She's on her phone, and Bandit is sitting next to me, and this is my Scentsy Whiff Box. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is a monthly box where you get a variety of Scentsy products. Now, I do get this from Stacy. I do have her link down below to her Scentsy site if you're interested. And the theme is walking in a cleaning wonderland. So we're going to have a lot of cleaning products in here. So we have an all-purpose cleaning concentrate in banana leaf and bamboo. Oh, it's all sealed up, and it will travel home better if it stays sealed. And to go with it, we have this little bottle with bamboo on it. Then we have a wild cherry Sakura Scentsy Fresh. Ooh, I'm not sure what this is. Odor eliminating spray. Then we have these go into their little, oh, they're not diffusers, but you put it in and it like blows air through it and it blows the scent. This is aloe water and cucumber, which is a clean scent. I love that. And then our scent brick is petals and peaches. That sounds delightful too. Yeah, very nice. All right, so we got lots of neat products. Now, this here, you're going to dilute this before using it. So this is a concentrate. So you got a ton of cleanser in there, which is pretty exciting because you have a lot. So that's a great value. All right, well, let me know, what was your favorite product? I feel like it's going to be this cleanser. I really think that's going to smell fantastic. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.